In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. Okay, so first 15 divided by 1 over 5. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 5. 15 times 5 gives us 75. So 75 times 5. Okay? 5 times 5 gives us 25. So we write 5 here and the carry 2 here. 5 times 7 equals 35. So 35 plus 2 equals 37. So we have 375, and this is our final answer to this problem.